YouTube, welcome to Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. If you like what you see, hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so that you'll get posted when new videos come out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to have you here today. I'm sorry I'm talking so funny. I had to take my teeth out because my mouth got really sore. Sorry, I gotta open my soda here. Let me set this down for a minute. So, yeah, my mouth got really sore. I had to call the nurse out Sunday. She looked in my mouth and said she was gonna order some swabs that you clean your mouth out with. They have medicine on it to help your mouth. So I want to let you all know, first of all, that I have set up wellness checks for on the weekend, so don't just drive by and stop in and make sure I'm okay. So I got that set up. I'm working on setting up, maybe going into respite care just until my sister gets back. Let me scoot this back just a little bit. There we go. So I'm talking to the nurse today about that when she comes back with the medication for my mouth. I texted my sister last night and she said yes, that she would cut her trip short if she had to, but I don't want her to do that. I don't want to be blamed for her cutting her trip short. She said the main thing was the cruise, that spending time at home wasn't as important as getting her cruise ends, but I'm still not wanting her to cut her trip short, so I may go into respite care for just 2 weeks until she gets back. I know soda's not the best thing to drink when your mouth is sore, but that's what I'm drinking. So I know I haven't posted in a few days. I'm sorry about that. I've been really going downhill. Saturday I slept almost all day. I think I slept almost all day Sunday too, and right now I can see I can hardly keep my eyes open. I'm about ready to go back to bed and I just got up. My mouth is just so sore I can't hardly stand it. On the camera it does, especially on this side, look like it's a little swollen. My nurse that came out Friday, I kept telling him how sore my mouth was, and all he was interested in was when my last bowel movement was, so he was no help at all. And then my aide said to make sure to tell him that my heels were red. He said they weren't, they were fine, so he was not much help. Most of the nurses have been really good. They've really helped me a lot. This one just seemed to be more concerned about bowel movements than anything else. And I was talking to the nurse last night, Because yesterday I started hearing, like, kids playing. And I heard a couple of adults yelling at the kids to not be so noisy. I kept yelling out, "Who's there?" Nobody answered. It was just really weird, so I told that to the nurse. She thinks the tumor in my spine may have broken off and went up into my brain. So she said she was going to text that to the doctor last night, and she thought too that respite care might be the best answer until my sister gets back and we can talk things out and see where we go from here. They usually don't do any, this particular hospice really doesn't do testing for that kind of thing. Other hospices might, this one doesn't, and I'm just putting it out there that this one does not check or run tests for that kind of thing. So that's about it. Today my egg comes back out. I have two co-workers that are going to be stopping by today, and the nurse is coming back, so I know I can hardly hold my head up. I'm sorry. It's really hard, and I can't keep that piece of hair down so well. But you know that I really love you guys a lot. I know you've been concerned about me. I'm just not at this point giving my info out to anyone. I'm just too leery after that other person has done what she's done to me to give my info out to anyone, so I'm very protective of that now. But please know that I love you. I know that you've all been praying for me. That's something more than anything. Head up here. Every time I try to sit up straight, this side in the back of my shoulder really hurts bad. But right now, the plan is to have the nurse talk to the doctor, and then she's texting my sister this afternoon and just decide if we're going into respite care or not. I will definitely let you know if that happens. I think I better be signing off because I am so tired. I know the medication does that to you, but dang, I just got up. I feel like I can't get anything done. And I don't know, I just am trying to keep going. I keep trying to clean things up as it needs it. Right now I hear this weird music playing. It's music I would never listen to. I wish whoever's playing it would turn it off. Just know that you all mean so much to me. I could not go through this without all of you guys. You guys mean everything, and I really mean that literally. Love you all so much. I'm gonna be signing off because it's getting hard to talk. I can see my lips starting to go this way. My mouth is starting to get a little numb. So I'm gonna sign off by saying, be safe, be happy, be blessed, and we'll see you all on the next video. Bye.